Wala lang. Good day everyone. Good day everyone. My name is Jason Velasco. Today I will be or I will be recite the rights guaranteed of the detained, arrested, or under custodial investigation by the Republic Act 7438. So the first rights that need to be observed or need to be practiced and during the um, custodial investigation is the rights to counsel. All the accused or detained person have the rights to have a legal counsel or independent and incompetent lawyer to defend themselves and appear in court together with the legal counsel. And the next one is the right to be informed of rights. So the accused have the rights to inform of all the rights that he had, or before arresting the person, the officer shall observe the Miranda rights, informing them about the accused or the nature of their accusations, and inform of their their rights against other police officers who are inflicting pain to them. So they have the right to be informed of rights that are included on the 74 or the RA 7438. And the third one is the um, right to right to remain silent. So all the persons accused, detained, or under custodial investigations shall have to shall have a right to be a remain silent in all investigations, and they can only waive their remain to silent if they wish, or with the legal assistance of their defense lawyer, with the handwritten affidavit of their waiving their rights against, or waiving their rights on the remain silent. But all the accused have to have a right to remain silent, because all the information, or all the statement that accused will be used against them. So the law are providing them to remain silent. And the next is the rights against torture, force, violence. So um, the accused uh, the accused shouldn't be, or uh, shall not subjected to any physical harm or inflicted any unpleasant experience during the custodial investigations, because it is violation of the one of the rights of the accused under the RA 7438, and it violations of the rights of against against torture, force, violence. So it must be observed, and no one shall subject to physical harm to just extract any information or admission or confession coming from the accused or detainee, or the person under custodial investigation. And the next one is the um, um, right to right to right to confidential information with counsel. In this right, we have the so-called the attorney attorney client privilege, which tackles about the conversations of the clients and the legal counsel. So all the informations made by them, it is protected by these rights. So they have the rights to talk to each other, and all the informations that will be made by them, it will be just um, it will be just the two persons, the client and the legal counsel, because it is protected, that all the information that coming from them will not be used against them, because they have the rights to privately privately conversations, and will not are not disturbing any peace officer, or any law enforcement disturbing these rights. And the next one is the um, right, uh, right to visit and confer privately. So on this one, all the accused, detained, or under custodial investigation persons, they have the right to talk to any family members, or relatives, or the friends, spouse, or any other children's. they have the um, they have the rights to talk to them, and to having a conversations, because it is one of the essential of the RA 748 that must be observed. And the next one is the uh, right to notify family or relatives. So on this one, the accused, or the persons under custodial investigation shall have the um, shall inform his family or his relatives about the accusations, or I mean the all the informations where his the accused was detained, or um, where his the custodial place were at, or where or in in short, where the persons are, where are their person where are these persons detained. And the last one is the right to pre-assistance. So on this right, they have to provide um, any medical, or if the person or accused has a um, illness, or have a need medical attention, the government or authority shall observe this right, because um, if the person cannot, cannot fully um, fully conscious on the custodial investigation, it will be violations of the pre-assistance. So they should have give or they should have give pre-assistance to the accused or the under custodial investigation by the Republic Act 748. So that's all. Thank you.